Good morning and good evening to you, beautiful, handsome beings out there. And this is a very special project that I have for you today. As you already know, Pride Month is among us. And for many individuals, it's a time to come out and to feel accepted. And so, today's special project is a project that I'm hoping catches on. I call it Pride Sticks. Get it? Because Pride Sticks. Ooh, look at all the pretty colors, look how nice it looks, but how do I get one, and what exactly is it? Well, I'll give you a scenario. You walk into Starbucks, you're having kind of a difficult day. Maybe at home you don't feel as accepted by your family after coming out. You feel just so sad. You walk into the shop and you see this colorful little box sitting there. It's a really pretty box, you gotta admit, it's really, really pretty. And inside this box will provide colorful sticks. The idea is, upon reaching into said box, you get one beautiful color stick with one message. Something simple. Something as simple as, you matter. I hope that this project catches on. I'm not looking to make any monetary gain from this, but if I can make someone's day better through said project, and again, you could do this for school, you could do this for work, you can even keep one around the house, for those days when life comes at you just a little bit too rough. Now, for those inquiring about how to come about this fancy little box, I made it using nothing but, some acrylic paints, some fluffy colors you get at the Dollar General. Heck, you can even get a wooden box, little locket box for about $2. And honestly, for $2, making someone's day, it's a fair trade. So I hope this video reached someone, reached the right people, or any of you do-it-yourselfers or strong allies who really want to make a difference in someone's day without spending too much money. This might be the way. And not to toot my own horn or anything, but they do look pretty good next to a do-it-yourself butterfly flower pot, all made from Starbucks stuff. And you can go ahead and check that in the video link in the description and somewhere on the screen, I reckon. Well, all in all, I hope this reached you. And remember, comrades, you can change the world if you really want to. You have the power. You always do, and you always have. Till then, comrades, I'll see you in the next video. Later.